So hello, this is Vatsal from PySpiders Rajajinagar. So one of our student he got placed and he is going to share his experience. Yes.
Thank you, sir. First of all, my name is Mahesh. I am from Belgavi. I joined in PySpider 1 month back. I got placed in. Currently, I was pursuing Python, aptitude, and SQL class. My Python trainer is Keshav sir, and Murli sir was taking SQL, and Selva sir was taking apti classes. So I recently got a joining letter on 29th August of this month. So the experience in PySpiders was excellent. I haven't seen this kind of training in anywhere in my native or anywhere, like wherever I have gone. Like they will push to our maximum extent. They will be like treating us like their own children. That kind of level they will be supportive, and they will teach, and mainly they will be more friendly and supportive. So that is the main thing. I was comfortable and learning in a funny way. So that is it.
So which are all the activities it helped to crack interviews and all?
Mainly, sir, grooming. Grooming was the main part in cracking the interview, and continuous mock tests were taken, which increased my confidence, and way of answering made it easy. That's it.
Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you.